Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the forex pairs like Euro USD, Euro Japanese Yen, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Japanese Yen for 3rd March 2021 Wednesday. So this analysis is for today only, Wednesday. Okay. So we can see that right now market is trading at 129.10. Okay, and there is not much movement in the market. Market is kind of dull. So let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and find out what's going on. Okay, in the 4 hours time frame. So after switching to 4 hours time frame, we see that market, yes, market is still continuing the uptrend. Okay, and it is beautifully taking support every time at the 50 moving average. So that's a good news for us. So what do we need to do then? Okay, so we just need to wait for the market to see in an uptrend market like this, when a trending market respects a moving average, then it becomes very easy for us to initiate a trade. Okay, we just need to wait for the price to come down to the 50 moving average. Okay, because our area of value will be around the moving average. If you just initiate a position here, okay, then your risk to reward ratio will not match, because you'll be initiating a position here, your stop loss will be somewhere around here and your first target will be here. Your risk to reward ratio doesn't match. Okay, every trader should have discipline. Okay, discipline is required to grow our capital. So in that case, we should wait for the price to come down to our area of value. We should not chase the market, we should wait for the market to come to us. So when the price will come down to the 50 moving average, then just wait and observe the market, how the price is reacting at the 50 moving average. If you see that after hitting the 50 moving average, market is bouncing off again like the previous times, there is price rejection from above like this or like this, then you can initiate a buy position easily. And if possible, check the stochastic RSI also. Suppose if the price is near the 50 moving average, it is bouncing off or it is showing some signs of bounce, and if the stochastic RSI is in oversold zone and trying to move upward, then it is the golden spot to buy. Okay, and if the market goes up and reach this point, okay, then also I would not recommend to short the market, because the overall trend is up. Okay, so you should be with the trend. Okay, and to be with the trend, let the price come to you. Okay, and the area of value is 50 moving average. So what should be the strategy? Strategy is very simple, like any other trending market. Okay, let the price come to the area of value or near the 50 moving average, and after hitting the 50 moving average, if it shows signs of bounce, or if it bounces from there, and if the stochastic RSI also confirms the price reversal, then it is the golden spot to initiate the buy position. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for Euro Japanese Yen for 3rd March. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much, and hopefully you all have understood. If you have found the video informative and useful, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'm extremely sorry I won't be able to bring videos tomorrow because I have got some personal work tomorrow. Okay, so but from day after tomorrow onwards, you will be getting videos like any other day. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then please check the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and good luck.